Introducing the culinary masterpiece that will revolutionize your grilled cheese game, the grilled cheese sandwich like a pro. Prepare to embark on a journey of unparalleled taste and satisfaction as we unveil the secrets to creating the most extraordinary grilled cheese sandwich you've ever experienced. Gone are the days of ordinary lackluster combinations. Brace yourself for a symphony of flavors, textures, and artistry that will elevate your taste buds to new heights. Weaving together the finest ingredients, meticulous technique, and a touch of culinary magic, this recipe will empower you to create a grilled cheese sandwich that rivals the creations of seasoned professionals. So don your apron, ignite your passion for culinary excellence, and prepare to embark on a gastronomic adventure that will forever change the way you perceive this timeless classic. Get ready to grill a cheese sandwich like a pro and savor the moment of pure bliss with each delectable bite. Ingredients. For 2 servings, you will need 4 slices of high-quality bread, 4 to 6 ounces of your preferred cheese. It could be cheddar, Swiss, Gouda, or a combination. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened. Optional addition: crispy bacon, sliced tomatoes, caramelized onions, fresh herbs like basil and thyme. Equipment: stovetop or electric griddle, spatula, butter knife, cheese grater, small bowl for butter, cutting board, sharp knife. Step 1. Choose the perfect bread. To start, select a bread that will hold up well to grilling. Sourdough, French bread, or whole grain varieties are ideal due to their sturdy texture and ability to develop a crispy crust. Slice the bread into slices that are approximately 1 to 2 inches. This thickness allows for even toasting while ensuring the cheese inside melts perfectly. Step 2. Select your cheese. The choice of cheese is crucial in achieving a flavorful and melty grilled cheese sandwich. Opt for a cheese that melts well and complements your taste preferences. Cheddar, Swiss, Gouda, or a combination of these cheeses work wonderfully. For easy melting and even distribution, grate the cheese if using block cheese. Step 3. Prepare optional additions. If you're in the mood to experiment and add some extra flair to your grilled cheese sandwich, consider including optional additions: crispy bacon, sliced tomatoes, caramelized onions, or fresh herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary can take your sandwich to a whole new level. Prepare these ingredients ahead of time and have them ready for assembly. Step 4. Butter the bread. Take 2 slices of bread and spread a thin layer of softened butter on one side of each slice. Buttering the bread adds richness and helps achieve a golden, crispy exterior when grilled. Ensure that the butter is spread evenly, reaching all the way to the edges. Step 5. Assemble the sandwich. Place the bread slices, buttered side down, on a clean surface. Distribute the grated or sliced cheese evenly on one slice of bread. If using optional additions, layer them on top of the cheese. This allows the flavors to meld together as they melt. Finally, place the second slice of bread, buttered side up, on top to create a sandwich. Step 6. Heat the griddle. Preheat your stovetop or electric griddle over medium heat. It's essential to allow the griddle to reach the correct temperature before adding the sandwich. This ensures even cooking and a crispy exterior. To test the heat, sprinkle a few droplets of water on the griddle. If they sizzle and evaporate immediately, it's ready. Step 7. Grill the sandwich. Carefully transfer the assembled sandwich to a preheated griddle using a spatula. The buttered sides should be facing outward. The heat from the griddle will transform the bread into a toasty golden delight. Allow the sandwich to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Step 8. Flip with confidence. After a couple of minutes, check the underside of the sandwich. If it has achieved a beautiful golden color, use the spatula to flip it over. The key to a successful flip is confidence and a swift motion. Cook the other side for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring both sides are evenly browned. Step 9. Monitor the cheese melting. While the sandwich grills, pay attention to the cheese inside, as if you want it to be completely melted, gooey, and oozing from the sides. If needed, lower the heat slightly and cover the griddle with a lid or aluminum foil to encourage even melting. Step 10. Rest and slice. Once both sides of the sandwich are crisp and golden, Carefully remove it from the griddle and transfer it to a cutting board. Allow the sandwich to rest for a minute or two before slicing. This short resting period helps the cheese set slightly, making it easier to handle and preventing it from oozing out excessively when cut. Step 11. Serve and enjoy. Using a sharp knife, cut the grilled cheese sandwich into halves or quarters. The satisfaction of slicing through the crispy bread and revealing the melted cheese within is a delight in itself. Serve the sandwiches immediately while they are still warm and the cheese is delightfully gooey. Grilled cheese sandwiches pair exceptionally well with tomato soup, pickles, or a side salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Here are some additional tips to help you perfect your grilled cheese sandwich. Choose the right cheese. Opt for cheeses that have excellent melting properties such as cheddar, Swiss, Gouda, or Monterey Jack. These cheeses will give you that oozy, melty texture. Combine cheeses. Experiment with different cheese combinations to create unique flavor profiles. Combining a sharp cheddar with a creamy Swiss, for example, can add depth to your sandwich. Grate the cheese. Grating the cheese ensures even melting and distribution throughout the sandwich. It also helps the cheese melt faster, reducing the risk of overcooking the bread. Bring the cheese to room temperature. Allowing the cheese to reach room temperature before assembling the sandwich promotes even melting and prevents the cheese from clumping together. Use real butter. Butter provides that irresistible richness and flavor to the bread. Opt for unsalted butter and make sure it's softened for easy spreading. Spread the butter to the edges. Be sure to spread the softened butter all the way to the edges of the bread slices. This ensures an even golden brown crust. Add optional ingredients strategically. If using additional fillings like bacon, tomatoes, or onions, consider their moisture content. To avoid a soggy sandwich, make sure to cook or drain these ingredients properly before adding them to the sandwich. Control the heat. Maintain medium heat on your griddle or stovetop. Cooking on too high of a heat may result in burnt bread without fully melted cheese, while cooking on too low of a heat can lead to a greasy sandwich. Finding the right balance is key. Don't rush the cooking process. Allow each side of the sandwich to cook slowly and evenly. This ensures that the bread becomes crispy while the cheese has ample time to melt. Use a lid or foil to melt the cheese. If you find that your cheese is not melting as quickly as you'd like, place a lid or a sheet of aluminum foil over the sandwich. This traps the heat and helps melt the cheese faster. Rest before slicing. Give the sandwich a minute or two to rest after removing it from the griddle. This allows the cheese to set slightly, making it easier to slice without the cheese oozing out completely. Experiment with dips and spreads. Consider serving a grilled cheese sandwich with various dips and spreads such as ketchup, marinara sauce, sriracha mayo, or garlic aioli. These add extra flavor and enhance the overall experience. Congratulations! By following this detailed recipe, you now possess the knowledge and techniques to create a grilled cheese sandwich like a pro. Remember to experiment with different breeds, cheeses, and optional additions to create your own signature masterpiece. With a crispy golden exterior and harmonious combination of melty cheese and flavorful fillings, your grilled cheese sandwiches will be the talk of the town. Enjoy the process and savor every delicious bit of your expertly crafted creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our upcoming recipes.